I'm going to demonstrate to you today our useful pin holder. Now I use this at my machine quite often because I'm sewing along and I'm taking pins out. Now normally I would just throw them down and then they get knocked by my fabric and I'm picking them up off the floor. But this is a very useful little gadget and I can keep my pins in there and also use my pins from it. So it's very useful from that point of view. What's even more useful is the fact that because it's magnetic, if I tip it over and I tip it up, I don't lose my pins. They don't fall out on the floor because they're staying in there. It's a bit like a lipstick in that when I turn it down, my pins drop nicely inside and I have a lid and I can keep that securely in my workbox. The other thing that this is really useful for is keeping a selection of needles in. And when it opens up like that, you can see quite clearly which size needle you want. Now I want one with a bigger eye, so I'm going to pick that one. Really easy, not going to tip the others out because the magnet is holding them in there. And then I can wind them back down again when I'm finished. Drop my needle in I've used and put the lid on again and keep that in my workbox. So it's useful for pins or needles, very compact, very tidy, a must for any needlework box.